Kicukiro.
Quality pads, affordable price.
Pads ezi zikasimwa na award za bulenje bw'izoba ya Afrika. Feathers pads niziletwa omusaizi nyingi ahari mu empango neza bulijo kandi nizija na pantliners zabusha okuyamba omumbera zawe nkomukazi. ABC Feathers sanitary pads okwoloba amani obusinje. Feathers sanitary pads obukumi bw'omutano ombwire bw'omutano.
Olino omutwe guluma, emimiro egiruma, ebinywa, amannyo oba omusujja. Waliwo Kiramo Plus. Kiramo Plus lw'amaanyi ku bulumi n'okuyamba ku mbuto eziruma. Asangibwa mu maduuka agatunda eddagala wonna mu ggwanga. Kiramo Plus takkirizibwa baana abali wansi w'emyaka 12. Obulumi bwe bweyongera genda olabe omusawo.
Basebo n'abanyabo okutwabagambira ngu tuyina abatagurizi ahabw'empaka ezakabazo rutobera kandi shani yeji mwenu group zatandika abatagurizi bo kumanzano babo
mbaza muhinduke turebe
nangwa kwa yarida kandi abismart
no bari
yemwe bantu mwe akabazo rutobera akakaragiremo ako kunywa karungi nikanywe kabona akabazo rutobera wanyo wono shemerwa akabazo rutobera akundi kugambaho nakozirwa mu bishaka by'amiringo nyamwingi kuyamba amagara kandi kanuze kawanyo wono tekwa kuguma no karonda.
Cooking all that makes food sweet, tastes so good like mama's kiss. Sweet time masala, yeah. Stir gold is the oil, cooking oil for a tasty meal to live a healthy, happy life. Stir gold, refined, fortified, blended pure vegetable cooking oil, second best to a mother's love.
Oburisa bwa St. Paul Ramyonga Church of Uganda Mwiz Archdiaconary Ankole Diocese bakwatanise na Miriam ahimsibwe ne bashasha ahabwo kuferwa omukristayo wabo mukuru ahimsibwe Henelius nazikwe biro mukaga byo kwa munana 2026 Ruhira Isingiro District kutandika na Shahi na Zakashesh babikira Bishop Ankole Diocese Associate Professor Sheldon Mwesgwa Diocesan Secretary Ankole Njiyabahure abakristayo mwena abamwiza Archdiaconary Isingiro Local Government Education Department DEO na head teachers bona abayisingiro abanyabzari n'abanyamukago mwena mukama amuhereze cyumuro kirungi.
Wishemwe Winrwa Kiru owakachenche East Mbara City na abikomuzire wele Kanoni Yusufu ndiamba ofire biro bishatu byokwezo kwa munana 2026 hari Murago Hospital Kampala nazikorwa kana ebiro mukaga byokwezo kwa munana omwaka ogu omakage Kyabujimbi Igarabushenyi District nabikira abareberezi abarimu owa Ankole Diocese Bishop Sheldon Mwesgwa na mama owa North Ankole Diocese Bishop Muhozi na mama owa West Ankole Diocese Bishop Jonathan na mama owa North West Ankole Diocese Bishop Magezi na mama owa East Rwenzo Diocese Bishop George Turyasingura na mama hamwe na Bishop Nathan Gasatura badini bona ombureberezi gona ba archdeacons abahure ababurizi abishemwe n'abantu bona abanyabuzare n'abanyamukago mwena omugenzi mukama amuhe cyumuro kirungi.
abana beke mugenzi nkamanya hirare abarubiriza bunyaruguru cyamba nubika ishebo nkamanya hirare ababikira former Chief Justice Bart Katurebe Honorable Benjamin Kadeti Honorable Narongo Geneva former MP John Twesije Ntamuhurira Gaudencio Kabondo abeke mugenzi Chikomeko abakasese abeke mugenzi Nansamba Rosemary abana Jana Ngumbi abeke mu amensereko abana Tete abeke mugenzi Kamugasha abakashari abeke mu Steven aba Masaka abanywani bo mugenzi abantungamo Kabare mba mbarra isingiro ibanda shema abanyabuzare n'abanyamukago na zikwe biro mukaga okwa munana 2026 rwakana omakaje rubirizi ubunyaruguru sha mukaga ziyangwe mukama amuhereze ecumuro kirungi byanyuma Benjamin owakatara buhweju district na bikishe byanyuma Silva na zikwe biro mushanju okwa mukaga 2026 omakaje katara buhweju yabikira staff Nyakashashara Seed School, staff St John's Nyabwina, staff Busubo Secondary School, abasita bona ababuhweju Mbara Regional Referral Hospital, abanyabuzare n'abanyamukago mukama amuhereze ecumuro kirungi.
abeka ya Muzeyi Ben Pauli Chwanka abarwemerokora ishaka Bushenyi Municipality n'obusasi bwenji n'ababikomukikuru wabo Maria Luisa Chwanka babikira Archbishop Lambert Beinomusha n'abanyadini bona Muzeyi William Muhirwoha owa Centenary Standard School Mbara abeka ya Mukeira William owa Valley College Bushenyi abakwe abanyabuzare n'abanyamukago mwena mwamanyisibwa okuzika n'olwa katano ebiro mushanju byo kwa munana 2026 mu makagabo rwemirokora ishaka Bushenyi Municipality omugenzi mukama amuhumuzeje.
ombiri kwije juba
ubwo mwana ndemeri dore ko umutwara ko nkore noza kushenya amakaga bantu ngor hostan oshabire kanga omushinga tarampenzo rubaje aha nogwe muhame referendum murete abishe no mutarwana mazara wanje murungi no we no please uzuna namushawe bakoresha bakuzuna tata zaro mukunda
Vesto Murunzi twakutangira osibire kurungi eshaha zaba ibiri ziciro kandi nebiri shaha y'amakuru gitagacencwire rizuba nizoba ryo rwa kashatu ebiro bitano ebyo kwezo kwa munana umwaka w'2026 makuru agacencwire ninjaga kuseho kurgaha kashozi boma umurembo urwambara Elias Ritugusa ninyendo kwija kusiya kutakurundana rizoberi konka ntakaga kuretera umbujire wonyicirize ngore cebe kure byija gebembire hazana bwanyuma ninjaga kuseho umbujire
y'amakuru ne kushikibwaho
Global Paints kusiringi tukosa Global Mat ate munda ne tukosa Global Silk Vinyl
singakwetaga wabweru
wabweru tukosa Global Weather Coat Emulsion
kusiga nye musiga ogwo mutindo okusasulira sente zonna.
Bishop Stewart University, a chartered Christian university located in Kakowa, Mbarara City. At BSU, we are committed to producing graduates who are responsible, entrepreneurial, ethical, and God-fearing.
Mugace ncwire kireki abahagizi bo wasinjirwa karuru ka LC1 bayesharinga umuriri ya ntonde abari gutekatekwa ho kwita umushinjo muri mitoma basindukwa kabura muro aba Abubakar Contractors batirwa hamonego ahabwo butamaro ruguto rwa Hoyima Busuju
emitwe y'amakuru yabane kushikibwaho
Global Paints kusiringi tukosa Global Mat ate munda ne tukosa Global Silk Vinyl
singakwetaga wabweru
wabweru tukosa Global Weather Coat Emulsion
kusiga nye musiga ogwo mutindo okusasulira sente zonna.
Bishop Stewart University, a chartered Christian university located in Kakowa, Mbarara City. At BSU, we are committed to producing graduates who are responsible, entrepreneurial, ethical, and God-fearing.
nyongera kutangira makuru gitagacencwire kandi orkwijaga kusyaho ndi Elias Letugusa babahagizi babasinjirwa karuru omuri Kabanteme omu district ya Lyantonde erizuba bayesharinga nabagira ngo tarabire ho buringaniza omu karuru kaba LC1
okwayo kwetombita kwabo aba barabiro mu kwesharinga Omunika batema seruka liro ruro Lyantonde district okweni yabahagizi babasingirwa barebwa bari kutero rwari abatura abantu bahakana obusinguzi bwa Emmanuel Twesije owarangirirwe nka chairman wabo obwe bari kugira ngo obusinguzi bwe burumwe bituri
nyina busasi bwinjo mu mutima gwanje kushanga ngo hizo bari kutora na chairman witu LC1 abantu bakuruga side na side bona ni kwalisha bakashka na kaya polling station yitu bakatandika bakatera bururu ngo electoral commission yatwire mu stamp mbwa company abantu batera bururu kurgashonda na shonda abantu bakabatema babura kwato muri register
Echaro chitu kabatema tukigizire bwinganisa omu karuru itwe tukatandika bataho omuhandiki wa register kutwarebire nakukutana register takwenda kuhandika abantu twagezaho kwenda ngo ahandika abantu bitu konka yatweshereka abatuze bakabatema baragire mu register yatekamwe babire nibargo mu byaro ebitwehinguririze itwe tangaza kureba ngo no muntu wabe nargabuyaga akija yarondera kabatema
aba bayahindura ejo kize cyanda baronda isima barsimor kumanywanka ka China o INRM obira isimbire na Emmanuel Twesije o independent batyo bamujweke kirunga cyebishanja muno bari kwenda nka chairman wabo
Chamazima emyaka je nyine ejo bukuru mbadde sirabanga ko bubbi mu kalulu bufana nabwe nalaba jonga 28 nga mulimu nanga muntu ez'ebicupuli nga bakwate nanga muntu emu ngewandika amanya 3 bwe mala okubinonyerezaako nembimanya nenekubira endulu mu kakiiko k'ebyokulonda nempandikira RDC nempandikira DPC nempandikira DISO negiso
kuba tukaza kulonda kuza mwanya nyuma mukamwana n'umwana wanje umwana ine myaka 20 bakamubinga runyiriri no mukamwana kagenda ngogo nituronda kandi bakabagizire nituronda bana cyo papa cyo kuturondesa bakitwihamo
abantu bagira ngo hakabamo no bushomankuzi ecyarugiriremo butakuratero rukarura rw'abatezi bakaruru
ne bagenda ne bakwata amaboda ne gasomba abalonzi be 06 endala okugezanga kanoni kinoni lwensali byonna ne bajja waneka batema ne bakuba kalulu akafe teri kisingira ddala kuswazanga kusanga abantu abatali bafe nga be balonze no sanga ekyalo kino kyonna bano bonna abetolodde wano nga benyamivu kyayamana ani abayamulona gafena tuli wano tukaaba
twayiko wa Emmanuel Twesije omazire kurangirwa nko musinguzi eyitwa mushanga n'abashagike be bari kushaturenku omukwetebekanisiza embaga yabo y'obusinguzi
nyowe nkabagambira kare nti omuntu okuza kupakasa atijana na 10 kuronde bariho wanje okuza mu banka kweyohora atijana na 10 wanje na n'ibindi nkabagambira ndyo mu kampini cyo yiro kumpa bururu ubururu tinda nkabura bo mu kampini yo process yo bururu abantu basime binabagambire babempereza je
twagambaho na mukuru w'ebyo bururu kandi ibintu byo yatugambira hanshongeje
bakaba bari mu register barona bona bakaba bari mu register abantu bafumo mazina abana abaziriti kubatinga bamwe
ecyari ikintu kigambwa kuba kirimo abatezi bakaruru abayihandikise 2009 kandi kigambwa ngo isima barisima akatungo bururu 95 kandi Emmanuel Twesje yayigana 2008 ndisande William TV West
webare Sunday William omu district ya Lyantonde twakomezamo n'amakuru ko muri district ya Mitoma yasindika abantu batano okukomwa abwo kutekatekwaho okuba bayisire customer ari umuroji nikigambwa ngo aba bakitara omuntu umuroji nukwe kumwiha kwempihana n'ibindi kandi nibija kumare sandi 3 mu 10 batyo babone garwa omukoti okongera kure mishango yabo.
Omuramuzi wa koti idara ryo kubanza mu district ya Mitoma Tendo Deogracious yasindika abantu batano kumwa abo kutekateka kuba bitira omuntu muroji bakamwibaho sente n'ebindi bintu Owisirwe n'umusinguzi Nicholas kandi n'ikigambwa ngo Mugarura Alfred orumukama wa roje yibitiremo omuntu ogu akakwatanisa n'abandi banokora ekikorwa cyo wina zeki
bamwita bode bagishere kokwe amasomo bagiba nebyabayine byo nababitwara so akaruga bushenyi ishako mu banka ija biraru contractor kunjiri so akaba naza ko orukunjiri gushashura abakozi kumaririzo mirimo ya government ija orwakashatorushe yakoma butoma arikuza kugira ikiyanywaho aho niho buzibu bwarigirire tukumanya intention yabo yo kumwita neha
mukanyagurura n'icyo mukatera kunda hari musinguzi no kurasasira mamuyaho indangamuntu mamuyaho driving license leadership driving permit mamuyaho isimu ya smart ya Infinix Note 40 hamwe n'indije ya Nokia ya Nokia
nyina wachitwa najirangwe ntakimazireze kamuca amabere
mugarura twitira abantu yatezaho mugarura na Isaac n'abandi bona bisro mwana wanje bamwitiro mubara yo no mu hoteli ye omwana wanje akabagire kuronda yo buraro ngukuburashesha jatahe konka bisro mwana wanje omwe n'abarukundeba n'abarukumpurikiriza nyowe nyine biburi mazimara hanga benu yaba omuzuru omwoyo rukwera
nashanga bamuchuma bakamu he had several bruises akaba ine mbene bamutira tiro mutwe bamuchuma chimseromo muibondo amajugona gataruho akaba ine bironda binja hamubirugwe orukoreka ngo orukoreba ngo hakabaho okurwanagana
kuro kutatungire aba Mitoma benyini baja ngo kutubo kubanza no muntu wakane kandi mu family n'abantu 8 bachura bakwitwa gonko bakwitwa mugarana heriza bribe taxi argayo
intekateka utaro cyangwa kikemeye kuba nturonda ujuruzo rede burwo kumara umutogo kuzo mucome abantu bakafuna justice de nabandi gutekatekwaho abone bija kubuzubwa konko mushango guru direct uno mushango guru direct
ukurikiriza rubanjoro no kwijagara kwa mabiro byo kweza 2007 byo kwa 8 mwaka ogu gasha kwa Ben Muhozi
webare Ben Muhozi Abubaka Contractors Company yahirwe emirimo eyo kugarukamo gukorana no kuhangusa uruguto urwa Busunju Cuboga Cankwanze Hoyuma batirwa hamunugo ahabwo kuremererwa ku maremerumo yabahirwe ikintu kijeho ubwo kwetebekanisiza impaka zo mpira eza Africa Cup of Nations ziri kwirera hi
mu rukiko rishyirwamo minisita w'inshonga za bunyoro n'abanyishengero b'ururembo rwa Hoima aba baka contractors babuzi bakasyo n'akahindo ngo abenshi mu rumo gwakwasi bo kugaruka muno kuhangusya ruguto rwa busunju kiboga kuraba cyankwanzi kuza Hoima guru kutambura kasobo.
The project was supposed to last about 36 months. Actually, by now it should be finished. And now you got an extension to February 2027. So we are wondering if you have done roughly about 40% over a period of more than 36 months. Now, how are we going to, which miracle are you going to use? Even if, I know you have given us a challenge, that the timely release of money, we shall, and we are all here, and we have got our honorable minister here, and the three of us, we are going to push to show that the money comes, but it looks really, a very, very, mountainous task.
What I wanted to, because you say our focus now is here because the project covers more than 4 districts. But I also want to bring it to you that this project concerns us because it is our destination to the capital city that takes us and takes our goods and everything. So we are very concerned of all the other parts, even up to Busunju.
Nyakato Asenas ori umnyishengero kazore mu rwa Hoima aburiza ababaka contractors ngo abwenshi bakora mporo murumo kandi bari kumanyo bukuru bwo rugutoru na munonga bw'impaka za Afukoni.
We are really very concerned, and the most problems that we faced on that road because of the delayed works and those works that are going on, we have gotten them around those other parts that don't even, which are not even next to us.
Someone can easily know that there is a hump ahead. You find when there are huge batches of soil in the road, and you cannot know, but would you know when you are hitting that hump? Can the safety engineers and also the station engineers on the construction of the road put more safety measures for our travelers?
Minister w'inshonga za bunyoro Grace Mero Mugasa ashabira ababaka contractors okwatanisa nabembezo gukora umurimo gwaba kwasibwe
so that we can build synergies. We don't want to be troops that are not well guided. All of us should move in the right direction. Not saying this one is turning left, this one Korea, Kushoto, another one, it makes project implementation delay.
Engineer Bardo Kiniga uri project manager habwa baka contractors azirengwe kibacherize n'urutaruwaira namwe na America.
We are looking at other sources which we are actively engaging, which are not affected by the other side of the line. Only the price is the only challenge.
Gasha kwa Ambrose Nwaga bakatoto.
Webare Ambrose Nwaga bakatoto murebi witu wa TV Murunji ninkusima aho kuturebera hona kandi webare na nokutorana kureba TV West tudio makuru agacenshwire ngo nchirize mpomure ukace ningaruka na makuru agandi.
Agarukurataho imiceja n'umukatare ka Ruhimbo abebembezi babugina abashubuzi umuri Sinziro
babareteremwa abanfunuya n'umukatekateka ngo umutavyo naza gutwara batwiya batereza Suarez.
Reverend George Byabagambe kandi umureberezi omusiyaha wa Full Gospel Churches of Uganda ngo tarakwenda gukora no kuriya kureke nabwe cyawe nshonga ejo ntwenda kurebeka ngo umuntu wena ntubasa kumujumbira umukora abase kwihamu ebyo kumureberera. Paulo kuyabere nagamba yagira ati mpurire ngo aba mu muri yaberemwa umuzagazagira umirimo y'abagenzi banyu mutine kimuru gukora nahabwe cyo ntwenda aba bantu bona abarukutahataho imirimo y'abagenzi bo batine cyo barukukora kurebeka ngo babona icyo gukora bayihamuna nebyo kubatunga
obuhabuzi ahabyo bwegese.
Are you in panic? Oh
Are you afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
At Fins Medical University, we offer online postgraduate diploma in medical education, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, MDCHB, Bachelor of Pharmacy, Bachelor of Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, Diploma in Clinical Medicine and Community Health, Diploma in Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, and certificate programs. Fins Medical University, a chartered medical university in East Africa and is located in Fort Portal. Apply now for the March or July-August intakes. Visit our offices or apply online on our website or contact us for details. Fins Medical University, saving lives, our passion.
Ebyokwomeka byonjera koroba hankwanjulire ankole Crazy Limited abara kubumbira byokwomekesa nkamategura amatafari n'ebindi bingi kandi ryo mutindo gwahigu nkamangalole tiles, Portuguese tiles na flat top agemigongo lero bakwinira amatafari ga buli mulingo nka fire bricks, max pans, interlocking bricks, otebwe partitioning blocks obumoli buro bwabuzire bwena babwine nka Z-Vent, Torino, Venezia na Sisa bakwine na Pompeii, Malta, Double Pompeii mwena bombe china ba engineers na contractors mwena ankole Crazy baborobezaho byona barabibumbira muri mbarara omwibumbe rishugaine barakoza technology rispiria echo nabyombe chesi changale nka bendera ya Uganda bashangari mayiro 8 mbarara kabale road esimu noti mushanje 2 ananina 15 chenda na mukaga ankole Crazy Limited tujende twombeke.
Looking for a university that will shape your future and your character? Join Bishop Stewart University, a chartered Christian university located in Kakowa, Mbarara City. At BSU, we are committed to producing graduates who are responsible, entrepreneurial, ethical, and God-fearing. Applications are now open for August intake. Enroll for PhDs, Masters, Bachelors, Diplomas, Certificates and Higher Education Access Certificates and the Faculty of Law, Faculty of Health Sciences, Faculty of Education, Arts and Media Studies, Faculty of Business, Economics and Governance, plus Faculty of Agriculture, Environmental Sciences and Technology. Students can access government loans, sports scholarships, Professor Rukare Education Scholarships, and Fairway Scholarships. Apply online at apply.bsu.ac.ug. Call 0707 200 703. Bishop Stewart University. Our God reigns.
Manager, ogito wagito. Konka batumu kidara, kabataka jiremu. MC takiziri. DJ atumwe na wiring ebyoma. Tugumisize shanki ibiri.
Bantu mwareka turgo muzano tugume twatesha. Twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju. Tikizana ngu okushara cake ni shamushanju. Nizeze nyine. Byo ni shara cake tukazakunyombo.
Na wapensi yona nesente konga tanywire mbogo. Nyukushekerera nikuteganisa wenda ninyende mbogo yoka. Oyine mbogo kanaba mulungi ayibambe nekorera. Ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje.
Tandika izuba ryawe na ABC Dent Nourish Fresh Up Fluoride Toothpaste ogira kasheko izuba ryona ombazwa meino ogwatongozibwe hamtindo gwensiona kandi gukahangura umudali gwa People's Choice and East Africa Award nigukuma kahoko mukanwa karungi gweza meino kwiteshikoko cyo meino kandi gukazibera kurwara kozesa ABC Dent Nourish Fresh Up omubirengo bitari bimwe na bimwe ebirimo white gel, herbal mint gel hamwe na red gel buli ka box ka ABC Dent Nourish Fresh Up noshanga mu brush ya meno eyabsha gushanje umaduka gona mu ihanga na burengero izuba bwa Africa tunga ABC Dent Nourish Fresh Up ahabwa kasheko akakusingayo.
Skylight Hotel eresora uhereza bwo murembo muri Mbarara City ahiba rukwereza breakfast ngakatogo omelette Rolex sumbusha chapati chai yamate eyo mukaru akatunda ko murembe nebindi
bineyo na chamushanere kutandika shamu kagazi ihangwe nibateke nkoko embuzi echenyanja muchemo obushaza akaro ekitoche echozi emondi greens obutura eshwiga kandi echo kunywa nikigenderaho
Hey, manya bino buraro burunji bwo murembe aha bei nunji kandi warara Skylight Hotel Mbarara City breakfast ne yabusha bine rooms eziri self contained DSTV security rije kandi parking ne yemarira
bine bara yo murembe pool table sauna na steam bath hamwe na conference hall.
Skylight Hotel neshangwa omuri Mbarara City wahingura kace aha Vision Empire orguto rwatora katete ijuka ngu nibo ba director ba Skylight Hotel rukunjiri ebirukiraho tera note mushanje mwenda 18 58 38 ninga note mushanje note mukaga 36
Unashikamba neza kutwara abantu aheru zirinka hikanara. Gacayina
yaba tundatine
agandi mu uriyo protoko gumire nishabo nyambe nyene cene maweki nyenda kukitwara aheru banje ngo hari abantu
rekeraho abutwara abantu ahera bese gwamba beta bahezi recruitment expert reba hariya Amazon building mwije mbatware
tutware
bito nyiri
ontware ahori kwenda
itwe aba Haze recruitment expert nutuzaguza myaka 10 ombohereza ubwo kutwara abantu aheru rabambara nsangwa Amazon building note musanjina note emwe note office zito za Kampala nsangwa rubo wa opposite na Quarte supermarket esumu note musanju ine mirundena itane mirundena ninga note musanjina note emwe 235 mukaga Haze recruitment expert go Haze
go better
kashati wa
Nkazoro mfarati murunji kanda gworobi Rosefo nikangara konko byamashemera nogwa mutindo Rosefo insi yokushemera kwanje
okoraraje nukureto kuhangara no kutekatekaje umugongo takubiyamaje no imukora ukushasha hindure mbyamire yawe no farati gwa Rosefo nugwo farati gwa family buri muringo gwona ogo farati guruho
nahati nyechakare nebire byombisho Rosefo insi yokushemera kwanje
Rosefo insi yebiroto birungi.
Cooking all that makes food sweet. Tastes so good like mama's kiss. Sweet Tamasana, yeah. Stir gold is the oil cooking oil for a tasty meal to live a healthy, happy life. Stir gold, refined, fortified, blended pure vegetable cooking oil, second best to a mother's love.
kuruka yuko mbutumwa bw'abashubuzi twagomezamo na namakuru agacencwire agicwika citu ca kabiri enguto ya Kicuzi mu district ya Ibanda nemwe umungote zitwire ziri mu Mberambi kandi iki kitwire n'ikiteganisa abatoro kutambuza by'imishuburo yabo na no kuteganisa abana bishomero hamwe na nabakazi benda konko bwa hati haruha amasiko bwa nyuma y'enguteji okutongozubwa okutandika kukorwa.
Enguto ya Kicuzi muri Ibanda nemo mu ngute ziri kugita district Ibanda na Bweju bito mu biceke bimwe etuye ryo mu Mberambi kandi kimwe hakitwire nkiteganisa abantu abarugozesa abantu bana bagera ngo habwe imbere y'enguteji batuye nibataganisa bwo gukora imirimo yabo
kuko mwe no buri meza biri bwashika ibiri yasigaze bicwika bita cyo kubanza no kurga Karumbi kuri Ngarusozi wa Leta yo wahari takabiri kubarenga wahika waza kusuma umusenteji nubageza doboka wahari bo kwa kusisika
nisa abakugura bitoke nkaba to kubareba umwe biza imotoka bayiza kupakira ba Kampala hatosanga batapakira ngo bavuge babutwara hanse bavugisa imotoka kake
obwa hataru hamasiko bwanyuma yo kutongoza nguteji ukunduzo bwa chwera batura abarukorese nguteji
Joel twarete byo makuronkingo mahandogu kuruga Karangara muza korwa kuruga Karangara paka ryabatera kandi twarga mahandogu already turigire gukora gwabwaho nazo neshozi ubwo tuguhereza gwabwaho atwaza korwa Kicuzi twarga ho tukore ogwa omukakoma kuraba mabonwa paka Nyarucika twargaho tukora umuhanda go kurga amabonwa kuraba bwenda kigunga bakarubaya then tukorera no gwarwo muhoro oguconnectinga na igorora.
Enguto je ino buringwa bwa kilometers 16 kandi okugihunduza ukija kamaraho miliyoni 500
kandi urugutoro ruza kutwara ameza abiri gukorwa. Twabugana abataka twine members of parliament n'abandi bembezi tukugezaho ukubagambira uruguto ukutukuza kurukora nebikuza kwetaga ingine y'abana rukora.
Twatandikira umwanya gwa kweta shicuzi so nduza kora uruguto rwa mabona cuzi yabatenga kandi turutira haka sente karunjiho miliyoni 15 kandi tuza kumakinga sure uruguto rutwarukora twarha drainage nungi twatamline za culverts.
Oyirehe nguteji endije yakafunjo ekugira town council yishongoro negombora ya Kijongo na yetongozibwe kukorwa.
Akani yakara kora muri kari sport montari bukire nasanga mubara mpujiro imara kulize. So let's do what we are supposed to do to ensure proper accountability and transparency of the highest order.
Gasha kwa Timothy Mushabe.
Webare Timothy Mushabe omu district ya Ibanda babebembezi omuri Sinjiro batahiro mu nshonga z'abashubuzi abakatare akaruhimbo daily market aba babwineho abashubuzi na n'ikigenderwa cyo kurukizo kwetumbwitwa kwabo na no kureba nko bakubasa kubahwera.
Omukubwa noku abashubuzi bagambira bebembezi babo ebuko bateganisa mu katare kabo.
Tubaru kutugera mubori yo norugaho twende odaya kusenya debe chapa chawe nari sirebe ndagano yawe nari si nitwikiriza mu tukagura de plan yanyu mwiyo hebi bati byanyu de rumwombe cyabo kuba twende odate kwenda burofu icyo twakisaba kare mu 2013 tucyakorwa atokisyobo bwiro buriho tubona hati kwandikirwa barahamwe mu rugo ho mugende nizo mukatara keruvu
konke kiziba cyuruho yitwa wara yita heri tursa species ahita karira turankanse karuguzi mbwene tugizire ngo batwiya bathereza suwarens bathandikira kipapura kikwereka ngo Isingiro town council twahamya abasubuzabo omwanya no gwabo then icyo turugemu tombe ko mwanya gwito ba government nenda kutombekera oba nito turaye yombekere then kuturamare tugarike ejo ware yitungo heri.
Abashubuzi nubajira ngo tubanjire kuzo mu kataraka kurekana bateganitse bw'inshonge zitari kuterezibwa omukatare kabo.
Nyenda ekipapuro kikwaza kikwata tuti abo basubuza abaliya nyenda abataka tonje obakuza nyenda munkwase ekipapuro ekyo bwanyuma mugarike munkwase wenda atambule nawe akagenda akanyorekera abasubuzi banje iwezaha mukama wanje tawunikira
mutukorere cyandiko kitu mukitwazi itwe tuchebi dene mwamara kuchitwaza mubone kutupuraninjira obane turuga hari aruguru mukahabuza umuntu akana kashore mutware 5 omudari akajo akana kashore mutware 15 abantu bariho tubafire bariho emyanya yabo bakozere kibi bagine itwe tuturuho kugera ngo nitubasa kuzo mu katare kariya muthe cyandiko kona nituzo mu makabito
abebembezi bahamiza abashubuzi ngo inshonga zorane zije korwaho kibahwero gukora batini kirukwe bateganza
echandiko ecyo kubikiza ngo kumanya no gwaje iteho mukono akateho mukono
abantu bakorera mu katara kakariyaha kandi abaye batashimirirwe abo kugira ngo bwanyuma yo kutaha katara akaveko mbekero government yatombekire kandi babebine kurgamu bakatembera guru kugira ngo nanaka bakakora koranisi so babe barwaredi barukuteka teka ngo gumwanya nibenda gubaka
kandi bakashashura isente zabo konka izobe nashitamana tawuni karaka twikirizana na meya mwambakega na ikizu kitivuye twikirizana ngo tuje tubavugane tubahumurize ngo umwanya n'umwanya gwabo abo kuba bakashashura sente
ababitu baragirwa ku rwo mu kataraka obutarenga izoberi batandike katereza Gashoka Felix Nduhura
webare Felix Nduhura twagumzamo nabwe umurisinjiro abaturabe cyare cyanya kayojo umuri kagati town council nebetombwitira bakaciko kakuteza ubururu ahabwa district ahabwo butabayamba okutora na mukuru w'entebe iyo kubanza ubusharo cyabo
okujura abatura izuba yo kuterera hakaruru ababendo bateza bakabara batezi bo mu ntomwe abondi je tubababara kandi kikareta ho butishirizana nuko akaruru kongerwayo
kazo mu line yitu yabyo misho ekabere line mpango hati bari okuba direbere baba bacomo mu line yabo owakasha to wabira ruha basi akai n'abantu mukaga kuyabaye n'abantu mukaga baba kwata bagereka ahari Moses konkana bwitwe aba bigomisho twaguma turi mu misho
konka kutwabire tubara twija twahisa abantu 30 babara 50 tija twahisa abantu nkaga babara 9 twija twakoma abantu igani 15 babara 25
abatwana bagira ngo babende bateza karuru bakaba bine bwino iyo kusiga hankomuza bateza
abantu tuho twurije ntushaba ngo bagaruko mu karuru kitu ebyo kwetoroza manya mwamutine shonga shikire manya kanje neza kushitama ndebe shonga ezazitabonire ninza kubagarukamo urwono ruhuzyo twarize kucimanga no ruhuzyo ahabo kuba abantu kuba babazayo umuntu akanga kukurikiza shonga zabo manyaje nuroko kanso 1 ito karuru kitu tukaza kutera karuru rai na yito ya nyakayojo akaruru cya mani uto twabere steri akaruru kitu tibaraka bazire babara rai na yabire mu Moses bamukiriza bamutwara ito twabarwa tarabazirwe ni ito twashara mutwagira cyo batubarira karuru kitu tumanya ngo batusinga
abantu bagira ngo kuteza karuru kwa yemerire hebirukanje mu office ya mukuru byo kuteza karuru na RDC niko kubaraganisa ngo karuru nikije kugaruka mu cyumanza cyo kwa 8 konkati kibiro
baterese mu ngumwete benkanisa kibanza cyo kwa 8 muzagaruka makaruru twasiba chayi tukumango bareni bisha kuteza karuru kuba tujyaho returning office abara batwibira karuru aba independent abanupu bamweto mu bara batweta ngo tuzeyo banga kwisha kuteza karuru kitu gutwayikayo tine chiton tugamba ngo bahura abantu bahura ba independent erizoba kuyakasheshe shahemwe nyakayo joseru shibiratse tutegerize returning office okwisha kushariramu kuteza karuru nyo mwaza kuba turangirire ijo tukasiba awa RDC a office ninye nabire nanye ndiko nkeyikiramu baje ngo baza kuterera
twagambaho no rukuru yo kuteza karuru ha wisinjiro turukorabera hasi mu kandi nagira ngo enshonga je neje kukorwa
ninja kubagarika mu force mbere ya fact finding nyenda kumanya amazima gacyo okay nja kugamba kan forwarding stress
Gashoka Felix Nduhura
webare Felix Nduhura nazagaruka mpomureho ningaruka ndukusi amakuru gandi otakarga
tandika izuba imirimo urugendo ninga kahumuro neco kunywa cha chituzi yenywere chituzi ohure matwenge aha mumiro nichikurwa ku rugo mu chituzi cha shitake amajani hamwe no bwoki konjoro bunuzi hamwe no mutindo eki nichikurwa ba chituzi farm company limited aveine teknolojia nebyoma byo mutindo chituzi drink ichirizibwa chitongore cyo mutindo muihanga echa UNBS kandi nashangwa mu maduka na supermarket zono muihanga shubura tere simu noti mushanju 8 mushanju bisha twina bitana shatunemwe ninga noti mushanju 8 mushanju bisha twitano 00 mwenda
that's it for today. Till the next episode.
Nitukwanjulira Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management. Ishomero lyonka ericyasingireyo okugunjura abashaho hamwe n'abazarisa aharurengo urwa certificate na diploma diploma in medical laboratory technology, diploma in medical records and health informatics, diploma in pharmacy. Rero bagaruka bashomesa certificate na diploma in nursing and midwifery. Ishomereri erine medical laboratory erime byoma nibereba ko muntu library eyomurembe computer z'ekikacha higuru kandi byemizano bakabiteka mamanika kandi ishomereri rahamibwe ministry eyobwegesiye na ministry of health kandi bine bus rugogoma eyokutambuza abeji ebyombeko ebyomurembe hamwe no mwanya rugogoma go kushomeramo ebitabo ogurukorebeka kurunji nirishangwa hangudo nyegendwa eyambarara isingiro odakachiro mutahuni ya kaberebe okumanye birukukiraho note mushanju ibiri kaga na mushanju ashatu nibiri ukaga nemo Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management. We strive for quality health.
Alo.
Ese bomwami mukasa.
Mutyaneyo.
Yono broka.
Yenze broka wa mayumba.
Bangambye ne nyumba za mwenunjiko.
Kitufu. Oyagala abisenge bimeka?
Nga bisatu.
Ebeyi agigambye.
Abangambye satano.
Deda sebeno zali nyamuko.
Yidwachi.
Anti danji je tusigisa ya mulembe. Anti nefali ya kitundu yalinya.
Musigisachi.
Global Paints.
Mutia.
Kusiringi. Tukosa Global Mat. Ate mundade tukosa Global Silk Vinyl.
Singa kwetaga wabweru.
Wabweru tukosa Global Weather Coat Emulsion.
Owa. Kusiga je musiga. Ogwo mutindo okusasulira sente zonna.
Guli umite.
Global Paint, a reliable product.
At Avance International University, we offer various courses in business, education, humanity and social sciences, information technology, journalism, nursing and midwifery, plus complementary and alternative medicine. The school is equipped with a well-stocked library, computer lab and different science laboratories for research and experiments. We offer full and half bursaries for students who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Enroll now for your degree, diploma or certificate studies. Contact or WhatsApp us on 0700 670 691.
Kazumuru mhami na wasakufuna yubuhereza. Na wafunayo akasenti nasagura amasaguru toki nagatuma urutoki nazo mu rumhami nasakuye senti narobuhereza nagura imotoka forward yanjye kutambuza imirimo yanjye nisomba amasa nisomba amatafari n'ibindi nazo mu rumhami nagura imotoka indizo za taxi nyine imotoka za taxi nzinkora akasenti nazo mu rumhami nagura amataka inamataka ine porote zitakombeche byone bintu muhami so muhami basize kugikora kandi nayo yabasa kunkora
Tumwije mwena tuzepe handisa Etunguka yashira
Omwishongozi wawe riye nabasuwa kweshongori
Kayene yawe no hachine Ruhanga ya kukunda na kukunda Yafyata ya
Yachitaguru yachituletera Kampala Omuri Serena Hotel Ebiroma kumesho tubikomena n'umwako Kutandikana shamwenda Emiryango neza kuba yigwirwe Twatandikira kushamererwa Jishuka mushigatirwa beshongozi ba gospel bakunda Abaratere nanga tukashashanuka Ukutaha muri mitwa leta VIP mitwaro 20 Tebos miliyoni 3 hamwe na nitane z'abamazireyo bishagikirwe TV West hamwe na Radio West Uganda Kumbucha Fresco Supermarket Baka Electronics Agri Motors Ankole Pharmacy Sam's Crisps JBL kumanya bukitiraho terazura mushanju 8 50 50 nkaga nina amabasha kanje
Kurukanye ko mukahumuro twagumizamo na namakuru agacencwire ishabarisa owitware ryambara Lambert bintu mugisha atongwizo murumo ubwo kombeka ekerezia rugatwa ya Uganda Mataza Parish aha gashozi boma umurembo orwambara ekerezia ji neja kumaraho obuhumbe 28 kandi umushicweka cyo kubanza neja okumaraho obuhumbi 8 na nobwikuru 300
Ishabarisa witware ryambara Lambert bintu mugisha atongwizo ho kombeka ekerezia rwogoma ya Parish ya Uganda Matazi aha kashozi boma kandi ogwa abandize no kutamba ikitambo cya misa Bwanyuma ya misa ayibembirwa bicereza batambura bazakibanja ishabarisa hasoro murumo gutandikire kandi yashaba contract okora murumo murungi
shagwaranga umusobozi wa byona batiri na mwana na mutumo rupera ubasumeho ugumeni imwe mumbeka kandi kubashye umagara gatawaho. As we begin in faith, may it stand not only as a building of brick and mortar, but as a living sign of your presence among us. Through Christ our Lord.
Tanka kireziasia ibisoba cyabaruka ashigambetyo abuka abantu bategezo bwire buringwa muri myaka nk'ebiri 3 tutebekanisa ikize twe nakonde kati yaburizo ese bagire komeye ko kumbyaro witu niyo mutano nje sibire munonga kurango sakatandishire katantebekanisa bihandiko so senye munonga papara mwego kushenye kizibisha yo misho bibashenya papara munonga tutesana kanso tutesana n'aba architect bitu.
This is really a blessing to us because getting this project, we did a lot other projects, but this is a house for God. And yes, we were supposed to start last week, but we was waiting for your blessing. Thank you very much for your time. And I promise you, we will give you a quality work, and we will never disappoint. Thank you very much.
Okurugera bebembezi ba parisheji ecweka cyo kubanze cyo kombeka ekerezia je nicyo kitongoziwe kandi kije kumaraho obuhumbi 8 no bukikuru 300
sente zikwetagwa billion 28 at project yo kubanza budget substructure ningashi foundation na parking yo kubanza ne ya kabiri azomizenda billion 8 na million 3 mbone intero maranga mwena abantu barahanga abakristo n'amadini gandi mwena abanyambara abo burungi gwensi yitu twatireho
amani gitu niko gari kuza kutuma twakora ekinteki timuntu mowe nkari kukibasa konkane twena mwena abakristo n'abatari bakristo abo kuba ejekereze ne abantu kona nimba shaba nimba higa mwije mutwegiteho tombokekereze yitunyamurungi
kugira ngo turiye nyuma ya chachi ombiye rukora byona tuza kubahereza support aretaga mobilization tuza kujukora ukurebeka mu chacheji yayombekwa kuba kugenda kandi yagumuzamo yahereza ikigambo cyarahanga.
Bwana mukuru wa Parish ya Uganda Matters Reverend Father Didas Rweterine Kasapuri ashabera bikirezo kwatanisa kombe cyara mukama
so bya set batandika mwene gwe kwasongo mdarakari yari tashiro hati nabishengereza ndetse sente tuwembeke abo bashibaruho
kandi ko questions akunjuranga no bitaka umwanya gubonire so twenda ngo we put up a model church ekereziya nungi y'umurembe erikoreka ubunuzi bw'ekereziya
giyaba yahwire niyo rabene singa yo buringo mu rurembo rwa Mbarara abo kuba neija kube ino buringo bwa meters nshanju n'itanu kandi rumuna galleries ibiri ahubwo TV West and Aidan Bataringaya
webale Aidan Bataringaya abantu 18 bashanjirwe na n'obudwire bw'ekokoro obatwire batura nabo konka batarukubimanya omukuragururwa kw'ibyamagaro kwabusha okubire kutebekanisibwe omunyishenjero owabahaguze East omu district ya Kikubi
omukuragurura ko byamagaro kwabusha mu district ya Kikubi cyanyirunga abantu bamwe bine kokoro hamwe n'endwara zinde zitarukutura eziba kutambura nazo bitu batakumanya ngo barwire
kansa eisira abantu bayingi muno kandi obundo kugenda giyetegereza akayire kakozereki akayire karabireho otayina ebyo byagare nyuma nabwekyo kansa team erugire mu Uganda Cancer Institute eroho hanu ayizira abasaho mwenda badaktari mwenda
okuragurwa ku mazirebero bishata yishimero rya Kikoboza Primary School kandi bakebira indwara zitarukutura nke kokoro prostate pressure shukari hamwe n'izindi
obuhereza nubo bututunulire mu nubo buhereza obuyikaire nibuita abantu mpora na muno kansa amune bindi nabwekyo nkusima abantu abahulira omuranga basobora kuyija kiro kino abo medical camp enu kugenda kutwara ebiro bisatu
Denavens Kebirungi omukugombi yamagara ku rugo mu Uganda Cancer Institute ashabira abantu obutosho kwekebeze kokoro abo kwenda kugitambe takakuzire.
One thing you need to know is cancer netambula tinka HIV tinka ndwara zindi bekuberi muibere negenda mugongo egenda mu mawugo ebiha netambula to any other part of the body.
Abantu 18 nibo bashanjirwe n'oburwire bw'ekokoro kandi 12 ari aba babiri batine bonero bwona bamombaganyirwa mu kuragurwa kubagambire na TV West
kandi obubere nogenda omarwari uga government obuherezo buni bakukereza n'imibazo etariyo okusango tina kasente eko banze ne ugendeho ba mu private clinics no marira ofire
karwaro munda mu imazire myaka hatesatu ati ukuriyo buhereza buno asera sikini ngabulesere hayihana nanyagamba kandi mukiremo nje bankebere anejja kuteberwa kansa ya buno bwanyinenda nawire buno ni hongenda
abantu bejumbiro mu Rusisiroru barigiro mu magombora garimo buhimba bugambe Kikubi buhimba town council hamwe n'ahandi amakuru agasha kwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto
webare Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto which a person wa Health Service Commissioner Dr. Henry Mwebesa yashaba abakozi b'ebyamagara abarukushabemera mu public health okwejuna sema hande shire okuhayo okushaba kwabo Dr. Mwebesa abire navuganaho abashaho ayirwaro rikuru erya Kabale Regional Referral.
Dr. Henry Mwebesa yashababe byamagara okoresa emyanya ya karimageze atirwa ha Regional Referrals okwayo kushaba kwabo.
But as Health Service Commission we established a recruitment system here, an system here. So we set up computers here. Any candidate, even from town, even from around, can come and use these computers. He would be helped by the IT team in this hospital. He would be helped by the human resource team.
Omurutaya yoru commissioner hona simire Kabale Regional Referral Hospital abwo buhereza burungi.
Reports prove that there's tremendous improvement in the hospital services. So we are really impressed by the progress. But all the same, we have been emphasizing to the management that they should strictly continue to control the level of...
In terms of information, the board chair is around. In May, we had a meeting, and the board has requested that for every case of disciplinary that we are forwarding that we plan to forward to the commission, we know the rewards and sanctions framework. If someone has gone to the rewards and sanction committee and the next step is to go to the Health Service Commission, the board has requested that they want to first review those cases. It is one of their mandates.
bamwe habashaho bahikira mu rukiko ru batugambire biri kubateganisa na munongo mukuru mu rumo gwabo.
Apart from motivating the staffs, those who have managed to serve for a long time, it would have been better if that spirit is maintained within organizations, especially referrals.
Salaries have never been enough, but optimally used, we can have maximum output. Together we can make this situation better.
Gashakwa Nelson Ayimbisubwe.
Bare Nelson Ayimbisubwe kangaruke mpumure ukace ni ingaruka na namakuru ag'ibyemizano.
The parent is Tuliahewa Dixon. And the child is Tuliahewa Esther.
Kambera gwete kwa mugisha ngo ishe watuyayewa Esther wahangura school fees ngene na hateja shana amashemerwa gonka MTN momo eberewo mbere nyigasta igana kaga ni 5 *8 0# kushashuro mwana school fees toko manyo mucisheri zagwije wanje ninga nchaka ngwasa kuzo wawe mwebare munonga.
Metropolitan International University, a multi-campus university with campuses in Kampala, Kisoro, and Mbarara. They offer various courses in disciplines like computing, education, humanities and social sciences, business administration and management sciences, tourism and journalism studies, information technology, agriculture, health sciences, and engineering courses. Full and partial bursaries of tuition are also available for those who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Come for your degree, diploma, or certificate studies. Empowerment through knowledge creation.
Business er busy konkati nyine stock. Omuringo nkogwe no ferwa customer murungi. Na apo ya numeda no basa kutunga roni ombwira. Tunga roni okugerera kimwa shirinjo bukikuru 30 omushabiri ni nazonka. Torukwetenga kuboye no musingo ningo mwema. Echukuru downloading apo ya numeda oshaberoni nikiba cyaho. Hatuno basagariza mu stoka yawe ohereze ba customer bawe otungure na business yawe wabo kwatanise n'abantu abashikira. Downloading app ya numida okuruga Google Play Store ningo teresumu ya note 8 note ishatu emwe ina emwe ishatu. Numida, fast, simple, built for business.
Hamwe na ABC Feathers Sanitary Pads tokujwara bukumi bwoka konkani zije hamwe n'obusinge bwingi n'amani go kunyunyuta hamwe n'ebishenje bine by'obukumi kandi n'amapapagazo ni maringwa agari kuretera okwekunda n'obusinge izoba lyona nekiro quality pads affordable price. Pads zezi zikasimwa na award za bulenje bw'izoba ya Afrika. Feathers Pads niziretwa omusaizi nyingi ahari mu empango neza bulijo kandi nizija na pantliners zabusha okuyamba omumbera zawe nkomukazi. ABC Feathers Sanitary Pads okwoloba amani obusinge. Feathers Sanitary Pads obukumi bwo mutano ombwire bwo mutano.
Mommy,
yes,
at school abalala babane everyone crunching
nange ku mulimu nga nkola when I'm watching my kazanyo
ndabye mbaga ya dad
anti ku highway nga mvuga sisumagire ekyo shuwa
kansinage bampakingire
honey mwana muwe.
Get your favorite packet of Psalms from a shop or supermarket near you and crunch.
Get yourself a packet of Psalms and start crunching.
Psalms, taste the difference.
kare makuru agibye mzano ekigombe kirukuru mzano gompiro mwihange cha fufa erizoba cyayeme ko mukozi wacu torinwe kuba umuhandi cyumukuru aharengo orwa ofisi ya fufa umucanga echabugwizo
omukoro gwo kwemeka Bathana Rwanga nko muhandiiki mukuru wa ofisi ya FUFA w'ekyanga kya Bugwizoba gwakorwa CEO wa FUFA Edgar Watson hamwe na Deo Mutabazo ry'omwe abakakiiko akakura ka FUFA hamwe n'abandi abakuru ku rugo mu FUFA abaromo Hajat Aisha Narure.
They say for you where you know, can you imagine? You said that the president came to my place. I'm telling you, I just heard that now for president is coming to
mukoro nugo gumwe FUFA yagaruka yayemeka abakuru b'ubuciko bwa district kandi aba bashoborerwa imyoga y'umuhandiki mukuru hamwe no kugunjurwa mu kureba ngo bayambo kutungura umuzano gwo mpiro mbyanga byabo.
In Africa, on and off the field. Tokubasa kubana mbemwe. Ompere guratandikira. Mutari. Already omuzanuko ya injire abagira region abagira abikuliga abagira premier all of transition ya exceeding the system the infrastructure of the
slow responsiveness that has been around. Sometimes things don't move fast. We are coming in to say we are now direct into the activity. We are also trying to implement the manifesto of the FUFA president as a structure to reach out the people at the district and at the region.
The only problem we have, or the challenge, Mr. President, remember that these days, even a student can come and contest for the what? For the post of the delegate, which used not to be like that. We used to have people who put in their time.
Okutongoza ku biro mbyanga byona munane bya FUFA kandi ubwizoba niyo yahereruka. Abwa TV West and Aloysius byamukama.
Aloysius byamukama yo timu ya Chelsea yagumiza mu gukora kubi omuzano yayo eyemkago eyo kwetebekanisiza season ensia ya Premier League bwanyuma yo kusingwa timu ya Juventus na gole emwe ahari 0 omuzano gwazanirwa umuruhongo Kongo. Chelsea ekabehereze kusingwa club ya Tottenham na goals 2 ahari emwe konka yo Manchester City yagumizamo erukoraje bwanyuma yo kusinga K-League Stars na goal 3 ahari emwe omuzano gwazanirwa muri South Korea.
Try and get to chance now. Far post. Sanchez was across. Or Cambiasso down the right hand side. Pedro goes down again. Palestra down the outside. It's not the best of balls, but he's looking for it there.
Has so much room here to attack the fullback. Manchester City free kick is left for Reinders. Sent it too deep and now to... Weaving some magic on the edge of the penalty area. Foden looking to do the same. Away from the press. Into an attacking position.
Kare agongo makuru agacencuire abuna basakusyaho ekireti kandi wabanaga kusyaho nde Elias Ritugusa nyowe ningwende zo kurara kurunje.
eshaha zabishatu z'ekiro na
Use the Momo app or dial *165*3# to pay and enjoy zero charges below 5k. That's the power of Momo.
Na hati gumana okozesa ABC Dent na Fresher kwenda ngu akanwa kawe kagumen kahumuraje izoba lyon. ABC Dent na Fresher nibikuhereza kawo karungi munonga yejumbiro mbazi ogwa ABC Dent na Fresher dero oyongera kusheko mbantu otine kwetina.
Okumbereba ne kukibaho
oyine mbogoka naba mulungi ayibambe nekolera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje
program Okumbereba musibireje basebo nabanyabo arabantu bakore program eji ibakweta ngo ne Okumbereba abakabare abachisoro abamubende nubwo n'umuta oshanganye Kumbereba zawe zona. By the way ndiyo nimpandika Kumbereba nenda kwandika Kumbereba igana that is first volume. Yes abo kwa Kumbereba turebere ngo ni lessons nyingi zitakubasa kwayo kandi ishemere kwandikwa tukaguma ntuzgendera haza the main sponsor na bembogo embogo nekintu cyo kunywa kirungi icyo kubasa kunywa kikakwereza obusingi icyo kubasa kunywa kikakucendeza mu oburwire abokwa nkakujya ngwenda yawo kere beterire enda ebintu byona intano organ zawo zabasategana siwe agarangana bisimya kigana. Yes ekisi kuchona nchirogo munda wota kuchimanya nabo umuntu wena kubona akoreza icyo kunywa icyo kuterezo munda okabere no chikwatse mukone ebiri embogo nisiringira 10 akacupa omukasheshe omuyangwe na waba noza kubyanga tulya kintu chembebo embebezi twenda gumantu zigamba abantu mu bikembo abakwembe beji wotajibikire mbobo nchibanchi manyisa ngo ntuza kufuna ebizo byona abakuba mwagenda sereze ebyo bintu bakubahereza ebukwera jubajuba. My question is binembo akari umuntu wa supply ngire kartus yakuraye kuraji ohiza kujitema konkate kushebuka. That one is very dangerous. Yes kare tukaba tugiremwe omwani tukaba tezamurka gura omwani ukaba gwemeza ahasi yo gundi oguyeho gubyara hata wana romano go gutakwasa kumera kandi nacecu cya dangerous. So let's not take things for granted bintu bakutwereza tubanze tubukoroho research. Abakikuru bitu numba manyabona bakaba bikembe boye bichora higura hari amwika babika uburo babikiro ombushushunga babike binyobwa bitatondwire imbu mutakata shabamba actually kwabere umuntu asabe mukamba bamuhera mune bitakuri ikintu sibota murukangogire koronde ebiti bya muhogo ebiti bya muhogo bukaba baburaho nabo ekintu chembe bone ekintu chikuru munonga musiteka tekeho. Yes kugira ebihingwa hati baresire ebitine embubo nekintu chikuru umuntu koja yebikire embubo emonda abantu akabazibika bayovuza